Hey crypto enthusiasts, today I'm going to guide you step by step through the registration process on the Bitget exchange. This is your start in the world of digital assets. I'll explain everything simply and clearly so that even beginners can feel confident. Are you ready? Let's go. Click the link in the description. It's the official Bitget website. Don't forget to use the promo code FB33 to get exclusive bonuses of up to $8,000, an excellent starting capital. On the registration page, you'll be offered two options. Create an account via email or phone number. Choose the method that works best for you. Create a secure password, at least 8 characters long, preferably with numbers and special symbols. This is your protection, so don't skimp on security, and be sure to write it down in a safe place so you don't lose it. Confirm your agreement with the rules. Check the box next to I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. This is a standard procedure confirming that you accept the platform's rules. Click the create account button after filling out all the fields and confirming your agreement. Check your email. Bitget will send you a letter with a 6-digit confirmation code. If the email doesn't arrive right away, check your spam or promotions folders. It might end up there. Copy the code from the email, return to the Bitget website and paste it into the appropriate field. Click confirm and that's it. Your account is ready. You have successfully registered on Bitget and taken your first step into the world of cryptocurrency. Founded in 2018, Bitget has confidently ranked in the top 10 cryptocurrency exchanges by trading volume on CoinMarketCap. This is not just a platform, it's a whole ecosystem for traders of all levels. On Bitget, you can trade and withdraw funds without going through KYC, making the start as quick and convenient as possible. Fees, P2P, 0%. Spot, just 0.1%. Futures, from 0.06%. Many ways to earn. Spot trading, for buying and selling crypto. Futures, with leverage up to 125. Copy trading, replicate professional traders' deals. Trading bots, automation 24/7. Staking, passive income without effort. BGB, a token that works for you. Hold BGB to receive discounts on fees, bonuses, and participate in exclusive activities. Plus, it steadily increases in value. Security is priority number 1. Your assets are stored in cold wallets, and all transactions go through a multi-layered protection system. Don't forget to check the description. There you'll find useful links, bonuses, and guides for a confident start. Now let's secure your account on Bitget to keep your funds safe. Here's how to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. In the upper corner, click on your profile icon. From the menu, select Settings or Account Management. Then find the Security section. In the Security section, find the two-factor authentication or Google Authenticator option and click Enable. Download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. It's available on the App Store for iPhone or Google Play for Android. Open the app and click the plus, usually in the top right corner, to add a new account. A QR code will appear on the Bitget website. Scan it using Google Authenticator. If you can't scan it, copy the key and enter it manually into the app. Write down this key on paper or save it in a secure place. It's needed to recover access if you lose your phone. In Google Authenticator, a 6-digit code will appear that changes every 30 seconds. Enter this code in the field on the Bitget website and click confirm. And while you're at it, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's important for YouTube's algorithms to recommend our future videos to you. Now let's go over how to complete the KYC verification on Bitget to gain full access to the features and increase your limits. The good news is that KYC is optional, but it opens up more opportunities. Click on the profile icon in the upper corner. From the menu, select Settings, then find the Verification or KYC section. Click Start Verification. Choose the verification level. Enter your personal information, first name, last name, and date of birth. Make sure the details match your document. Prepare your passport or driver's license. Take a clear photo so that the text is readable, but don't worry. Bitget is lenient and accepts even imperfect photos. Upload the photo of the document. Complete the facial verification. Follow the prompts, such as turning your head or blinking. Click Submit and wait for verification. This takes just about 20 minutes on Bitget. You will receive a notification via email or in your personal account. Without KYC, you can trade and withdraw up to 20,000 USDT per day, but with KYC, the limits increase to 3 million USDT. If your photo isn't accepted, try uploading a new one or reach out to support. However, in most cases, everything goes smoothly. Now, let's fund your account on Bitget so you can start trading. There are several simple ways: through cryptocurrency, a card, P2P, or an exchange. I'll break down each method step by step so you know exactly how to proceed. Method 1, deposit cryptocurrency, USDT. Click on Wallet and then click on Deposit. In the list of currencies, find USDT and select the TRC20 network. Copy the Bitget wallet address. Open another exchange or crypto wallet where you have USDT. Paste the copied Bitget address in the sending field and specify the amount. Important, make sure the TRC20 network is selected. Otherwise, the funds may be lost. Confirm the transfer. USDT will arrive in your main account within 5 minutes. Method 2. Deposit via P2P. In the Bitget menu, select P2P trading. Click Buy and choose your local currency. Choose a payment method. Find a merchant with a rating above 90% and at least 400 transactions. Ensure they have enough funds for your amount. Enter the amount. The system will show how much USDT you will receive. Click Buy and transfer the money to the merchant's details via your banking app. Click Payment Made in the Bitget interface. Wait for the merchant to confirm the payment. The USDT will be credited to your main account in a couple of minutes. Method 3. Purchase USDT through an online exchange. Click the link in the description to go to BestChange. This is a platform where verified online exchanges are collected. On the left, choose how you'll pay for the crypto. On the right, select what you will receive, such as USDT TRC20. Find an exchange with a good rate and reviews. Check the rating and reserves. On the exchange's website, specify the amount. Copy your Bitget wallet address. Go to Wallet, then Deposit, select USDT TRC20 and click Copy. Paste the address in the exchange form, add your contact details, email or phone, and payment details like card number. Transfer the money to the exchange's details according to the instructions. USDT will arrive in your Bitget account within 5-30 minutes. Done. Your account is funded and now you can buy Bitcoin. Let's move on. Bonuses on Bitget, up to $8,000 for registration. If you register on Bitget using our referral link, find it in the description below the video and enter the promo code FB33. You'll be greeted with a generous bonus program. How to get the bonus? Fund your futures account with $1,500. Open a trade for 500 USDT and then close it. This gives you a trading volume of $1,000, earning you a $60 bonus on your futures account. The larger the funding amount and trading volume, the higher the bonus. You can earn up to $8,000. When are bonuses credited? Typically, bonuses are credited within a week, most often on Fridays. You cannot withdraw the bonus directly, but you can use it for trading. Any profits you make from these bonuses can be withdrawn without restrictions. If you funded less than $1,500, no worries. You can still participate in other promotions. 10% cashback in copy trading, launchpads and token giveaways. All the details and links are in the description below the video. Don't miss the chance to start with an advantage. Withdrawing funds from Bitget. There are two simple ways to withdraw cryptocurrency. Method 1, to another exchange or wallet. Go to Assets, then Wallet and click on Withdraw. Select USDT and the TRC20 network. It's fast and has minimal fees. Copy the wallet address where you want to withdraw the funds, for example, another exchange's wallet or a cold wallet like Trust Wallet. Specify the amount. Confirm the operation. Enter the code from Google Authenticator, 2FA, and the code from the email that will be sent to your inbox. Click Confirm. The withdrawal will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Method 2, through an online exchange, click the link in the description to go to Best Change. Perform the same actions as when depositing, but in reverse. If you think a cryptocurrency exchange is only about buying and selling coins, Bitget is here to pleasantly surprise you. It offers a whole arsenal of tools for earning. Let's break it down. Copy trading. Choose a professional trader, and their trades are automatically replicated in your account. They earn a percentage of the profit, while you enjoy peace of mind and results without the stress. Trading bots. Set it up once, and the bot will automatically buy at low prices and sell at high prices. It works 24/7, even while you sleep. Staking. Freeze your coins, like USDT or BTC, and earn stable passive income. No effort required, just hold and earn. Launchpad and launch pool. Participate in the launch of new tokens. Buy at low prices and earn them for free by participating in staking. Candy Bomb and Poolex. These are promotions with simple tasks. Complete them to receive free coins. A great way to start without any investment. All these features are detailed in other videos on our channel. Subscribe so you don't miss any opportunities. We've covered the entire journey from zero to your first trade, registered in just a few clicks. Activated bonuses with promo code FB33, set up account security, funded your balance, bought Bitcoin, and learned how to withdraw funds. Bitget is not just an exchange. It's a complete crypto hub with an intuitive interface and a powerful set of tools for trading and investing. Important. When registering, don't forget to enter FB33 to receive bonuses on your first deposit. A great boost to get you started. If you found this overview helpful, please support it with a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what else you'd like to learn. May your trades be profitable and your gains truly substantial.